Alright, so hi friends, thank you for joining on the Walking the Beach with Miss Myers. So what you're going to do is when you are done watching the video, you're going to come over here to see, let's see a picture of the whale. You're going to press this link. And then if you need help with where to put your drawings, you're going to press here and there will be a link to come up with this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit here to this page. If there is no empty slide, you're going to press the plus button and add a slide. So to add a picture, you're going to go here to the camera, press camera, there it goes. And then you're going to hold your picture up to the camera. Make sure it's straight. There you go. Press the yellow button. And then you're going to press insert. Make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it. Go over here to the text box. And then write your name. Alright guys, go ahead and follow my steps and show me your picture of a whale. Have fun!